My name is Lung. I'm from Nagaland. Before I transplanted my hairs is becoming weak, and I have a lost confidence. After watching the New Roots videos also, I get a confidence. In my OD experience, it is good. My result is quite good. You can see it. Nice. My experience with New Roots is quite fine. They are very good. All the staff, they are very good. And even I suggest, if you want to go for transplant, you can come here. They are very good in overall. Thank you.